Hello everyone, this is Tyler with My Computer Works, and today I'm going to be going over a very quick tutorial that's going to break down how to troubleshoot your laptop in the event that it's not turning on, right? So maybe you've had this before. I know I have. I've personally had laptops where went to hit that power button and no life, no juice, right? So there's kind of two different ways that this will happen, right? So either one, you are trying to charge your laptop or you plug your laptop in and you get absolutely no life to it, right? So let's say that's the situation. We'll start there. You have your laptop, you plug it in into your laptop, plug it into the wall, and nothing. Okay, I'm talking no lights. When you hit the power button, no glow on the screen. Just no life. Literally, the laptop seems completely dead, or like it's just done, right? Okay, so let's start there. That's the situation where you need to assess the power situation. Okay, right? Because without power, a laptop is nothing. That is the lifeblood of our computer, of our laptops, is the power that they draw from the wall. Okay, so I would start there. I would go to the wall. You never know, maybe you have a bad wall outlet. Maybe this is an electrical issue. It's not even an issue with your laptop. Unplug it from that wall outlet, take it over to another one, plug it in, and then trace the cable up, okay? So you plug it into the wall and then go ahead and follow that cable up to the box. Make sure the box is nice and snug, it's plugged in well there, and then follow it up to your computer, right, where the port actually gets plugged in, where the charge port goes in. Check to make sure that that is nice and snug, okay? Now, if you've tried multiple ports in your house and you've made sure that the actual connection to the laptop is good, now you've done everything to at least ensure that the power is making its way to the laptop. Now, the only other circumstance in this situation where you may not get power, even if you switch it to another outlet, would be maybe the charge cable is bad, or maybe the port where the actual charge cable plugs into has also gone bad, okay? Now, if that's the case, depending on which situation it is, like if it's a charge cable, that's going to be a pretty cheap fix, okay? You could go online, go on Amazon, go shopping, go get yourself a new charge cable. However, if it's the port that the actual charger plugs into on your laptop, now you're looking at a very expensive fix. That could be soldered on to the actual motherboard itself. Usually they are, so it's not going to be something you can easily replace. You could seek out a laptop replacement center. However, if they're going to have to desolder and then resolder a new power port on, that could get pretty expensive. So you may want to consider a new laptop at that point, okay? All right, so let's talk about the other situation, okay? So that was a situation where it's plugged into the power. Light's not coming on, it just seems completely dead, okay? It's not getting juice. What about if you can tell that it is getting juice? You plug it into your laptop, there's a light on, clearly indicating it's charging. What does that mean? What's the issue here? Why is my laptop not turning on in that situation? Okay, so let's go through it. First off, getting light, but nothing on the screen. If you hit the power and the power comes on, but you just don't see anything on the screen, that could actually be your display, okay? What I would do in that situation is take a monitor or a TV that you have in your house, hook it up to your laptop. If your laptop has like an HDMI port or some sort of port for a second display, I would plug a second display in and see if it shows up on the screen, okay? Because if your screen hops over to that second monitor or TV, then that doesn't necessarily mean it's a power issue. It could be a display issue. Your screen might not be working, or something may be stopping your screen from actually, being able to show what the laptop is doing, okay? So plug it into a second monitor, plug it into a TV, plug it into, like I said, if you have a computer monitor, plug it in. If the display shows up over there, well, now you know something's wrong with the screen or the display on the laptop itself, okay? And then that's going to open up a whole new set of troubleshooting and instructions that you'll need to follow to try to fix that, okay? And that's kind of what we're doing in this video. I'm trying to help you narrow down what is the actual problem, okay? So in that situation, that's a display issue. If you're plugging your laptop in, it's getting power, but you're just not seeing anything on the screen, but then you plug in a second display, Well, the issue is with the display, okay? It could be that the screen, there's a ribbon strip type thing that plugs into your in the motherboard that connects the display and the keyboard and all that different things. Something in there could have just gotten loose. Could have been one wire got messed up. Anything like that inside of the laptop would cause the display to stop working, okay? And again, now we're talking about could be an easy fix. It could be a really expensive fix. A lot of the times when it comes to laptops, they are cheaper and they're a little bit more disposable than, say, our desktop computers, okay? In that case, when it's hardware and it's something that's going to be desoldered and resoldered on, it's best to just probably get a new laptop because you're going to be paying a lot of money just to try to revive something that's just going to go out on you again in the near future, okay? Laptops are not meant to last forever, okay? All right, so let's say you've got it plugged in and you're not getting any power off the charge cable. You are getting power off the charge cable. Display's not coming on. You've plugged in a second monitor. You've checked the cable. You've moved it over to a new outlet, okay? And still nothing happening. What do you do in that situation? Is there any way, if the screen's not even coming on, is there any way to troubleshoot past that point? We've kind of done everything we can, right? We've moved it to the other outlet. We put it into another TV, etc., etc. What do we do now? Okay. You can try one last thing, and this is going to be only in a circumstance where you feel comfortable doing this, okay? Sometimes reseating, and what I mean by reseating is unplugging and then plugging back in your hardware inside the machine, like say your RAM or your SSD in the machine, that could potentially fix this issue, okay? However, I just want to say here, stop. If you're not a tech savvy person, if you don't feel comfortable opening up your laptop and actually going inside and working on the insides of it, the guts, don't do it, okay? Reach out to a professional here at My Computer Works. Our number is always at the beginning of the video, into the video, and down in the description. We don't want to see you, destroy your laptop more than it already is by trying to troubleshoot it, okay? So if you're having issues and it's very advanced and you've tried some of the things in the video and none of it's working, reach out to us. We'll help you out. And while you're down there, please hit that like and subscribe and share the video so other people can see it if you have time. And I will see everyone on the next one.